All right, welcome back to another markup session. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not gonna trade the AM Open today because of FOMC, which is going to be at 2 p.m. In the afternoon. Let me just quickly check calendar. I think it's 2 p.m. and 2:30, right? Yeah. So we have at 2 p.m. we have FOMC, 2:30 we have FOMC press. So I'll probably wait till 3 p.m. and then I'll watch the market for the closing hour, or I will not do anything at all today. Probably I'm not gonna trade at all today, just so you know. But marking out the charts and seeing how FOMC plays out is always a good lesson still. All right, this is the monthly chart. We're gonna start on the monthly here. We do have this gap high here, which I'm going to mark up fat as fuck. And then the upper quadrant would be here. So let's also mark up this one. It's the upper quadrant of this gap. Come on, come on. Okay, that's fine. All right. We're probably not gonna go down there because that's a lot of points. All right, 1 week. We have a weekly gap in here. Daily busy. This is still playing, so it technically is also using this one, but I'm not gonna mark that up just yet. And the next one is down here. All right, 1 day. Had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, that's the current day. So 5 black candles here. So we can or might expect a bullish one here, especially looking at the support levels over here. We have a daily busy right here, which you can mark up. Let's do it in a bit darker tone so we can see that. And then I will not mark up this one, it's too high. All right, then 4 hour. Let's see. All right, we still have this one, 47.50, 47. This is our 4 hour SIBI. We have this clear 4 hour high here, and then obviously 4 hour trend liquidity down here. 4 hour, oops. Trend LQ. All right, let's look at the hourly. We've been moving sideways here. Yeah, nothing too interesting on that one. We can mark up this one. Hourly busy. It still has these, these lows down here. That's on hourly, the same thing. And then these highs up here are also fairly clean, I would say. But we'll see. I think, well, I'll talk about that in the conclusion. Let's look at the 50-minute real quick. Okay, we do have 50-minute relative equal lows here. 15-minute relative equal lows. We do have clean highs up here. 15-minute relative equal highs. Okay, and that's it, essentially. All right, so we've seen that range here. That's typical for FOMC weeks. Obviously on Monday we dropped, but since then we've been moving sideways because FOMC is usually the news that's going to open the market up for the rest of the week. So FOMC is going to, and I will call this now, let's go on to hourly here. So I think regarding these major support levels here, right? Weekly, monthly, daily. I think that FOMC is going to take out the sell side here, right? Trend liquidity, relative equal lows. We're going to take out the sell side, and then we're going to get a clean reversal out of this, mitigating into these gaps up here and relative equal highs up here on the hourly, right? Maybe that's going to happen on, today, Thursday and Friday, or that's going to, change the trend for the next couple of weeks. I don't know, but I think FOMC is definitely going to take out one side of that range here, definitely, and then we're going to go for the other side of that range. And I think that we're going to take out sell side first, and then mitigating back up into these 4-hour, hourly, and relative equal highs. But we'll see. As I said, I'll not trade the AM open because on FOMC days, we usually don't get much movement in the AM open session. 2 p.m., 2:30 p.m. in New York. FOMC is going to hit, and then something's going to happen, and then like 10 minutes, 20 minutes after, we usually get some clean runs. So I might have a look at that today. But if not, then I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for tuning in, and have a nice Wednesday. Good luck and good trading.